Welcome back, guys. Today's recipe is one of the best beef taco by JBG Food Travel TV. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching till the end. You can skip this part if you already have your ground beef. But if you don't have, you can follow these steps. Make sure that you always sharpen your knives. Then start slicing your beef into small pieces. This will take time, so you need to be more patient. Continue doing that until it will look like a ground beef, just like this. Just perfect. Once the beef is ready, heat the pan, olive oil in, and while waiting, let's prepare our toppings. Start with cutting our onions, our tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes and avocado. Let's start by sauteing our onion. Wait until it's golden brown or you can smell the aroma of the onion. Then beef's in. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and you can add 1 teaspoon of cumin if you like. Then mix. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black ground pepper. Then mix until everything is golden brown. I think our beef is ready. So turn off the heat and let it sit. Let's prepare our tacos by brushing olive oil or canola oil. Some want their tacos soft, but for me, I prefer it crispy. And by doing that, I use oven set for 350 degrees for 5 minutes, or you can use bread toaster. Look at this, guys. Now let's grate some cheese, cheddar cheese, Kraft, Eden cheese, or cheese that you like the most. And these are our toppings: avocado, lettuce, onion, cherry tomatoes, beef, and cheddar cheese. But you can add more if you like. At this moment of time, you can do it your way. Or if you like, you can follow mine. First, put the beef, then the grated cheddar cheese. You just put sufficient amount, then the lettuce, then next we have the avocado, then followed by the sliced cherry tomatoes, and lastly the sliced red onions. But you can do it vice versa if you like. Just be artistic when making your own tacos. There you go, guys, our best homemade beef tacos. And these, as what I have told you a while ago, that you can make and be artistic while making your own tacos. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye.